Hi guys, Scott McPharlin here from Magain Real Estate and welcome to 5A Nunyah Avenue in beautiful Park Holme. This is such a beautiful location, so close to Glenelg Beach, close to the city, great public transport options, awesome schools, and this is an amazing home. 2 living areas, 2 bathrooms, 3 bedrooms on over 400 square metres of land with a beautiful backyard and internal courtyard. Why don't we go inside and check it all out? So there you have it. This home has been maintained impeccably and I love the fact it's got 2 living spaces, especially with the first living space having its own separate courtyard with that beautiful natural light flowing into the home. And out the back here with the open plan living area flowing out to this beautiful entertainment area and overlooking the smashing backyard. It's a package that you're really going to love, and in this location they are really hard to find on this amount of land. My name's Scott McPharlin from Magain Real Estate. Can't wait to see it and open soon.